ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदिया काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 92। Purvapaksh's argument was that after Brahma Jnanam also Nitya Karma should be performed. Siddhanta is saying no, because it is arising from avidya. Second line in Tika. Vidusho bhikshatanadivat karmavasara syat iti shankate. Jnani has time and interest in doing bhikshatana, etc. He will go here, that Bhandara is there, another place Bhandara is there, Jnani will go there. Bhikshatana divat. Why can't he do Agnihotra every day? Other things he has time. Iti shankate. भाष्य भोजनादि प्रवृत्ति अवसरवत स्यात् इति चेत. भोजनादि प्रवृत्ति अवसर is there, then अग्निहोत्रादि नित्य कर्म he should. टीका. अपरोक्ष ज्ञानवतो वा परोक्ष ज्ञानवतो वा भोजनादि प्रवृत्ति. So this distinction टीकाकार makes now. Is it परोक्ष ज्ञान or अपरोक्ष ज्ञान? भोजनादि प्रवृत्ति who is doing? न आद्यः अनभ्युपगमात् तत्प्रतीतेर बाधितानुवृत्ति मात्रत्वात्. बाधितानुवृत्ति मात्रत्वात् अग्निहोत्रादेहे अबाधित अभिमान निमित्तस्य तथात्व अनुपपत्तेः इति अभिप्रेत्य. So अपरोक्ष ज्ञान परोक्ष ज्ञान, this doubt. Somebody will say, but in Vivarana Prasthana, so you don't accept Paroksha Jnanam, and that is Mukhya Prasthana, and Bhamati is Gauna Prasthana, but in that it is given. So you have to remember, keeping in mind the way people understand Paroksha Jnana, Aparoksha Jnana, these words are used. So here it is not necessary that, oh, does that mean Anand Giriji is following Bhamati Prasthana and he is not following? It's not like that. अपरोक्ष ज्ञानवतः और परोक्ष ज्ञान. अनभ्युपगमात्, there is no अभ्युपगम स्वीकृति of 9 नंबर टिप्पणी. प्रवाहात्मना सदा सम्यक बुद्धि स्थितेः आत्मवस्तु प्रयुक्तत्वात्. So he is only engaged in Atma alone is, there is nothing else. So whatever pratiti you see, that oh, somebody is eating, some Mahatma is eating, some Mahatma is going for Ganga Snanam, all this is Badhitanu Vritti Matra. Badhitanu. Agnihotra Dehe Abadhita Abhimana Nimittasya. And Agnihotra is not Badhita Anuvritti. It is Abadhita Abhimana Nimittam. Abadhitam Abhimana Nimittam Yasya Agnihotrasya. In other words, Agnihotram is expected to be performed only when It is not badhita. Agnihotra has abhimana. Person who has abhimana will do Agnihotra. More will be clarified. And person who gains knowledge, tathatva anupapatte. Tathatva means abadhita abhimana is not there. Abadhita abhimana nimitta is not there for jnani. It is badhita. Therefore, tathatva anupapatte iti abhipratya. But Bhashyakar doesn't create this aparoksha jnana and paroksha jnana vikalpa. He just gives one answer. Natu tatha aniyatam. Sorry. Na avidyadi. So he gives na. Na dvitiya. Paroksha jnanilah shastra anapeksha. Shud pipasadi dosha kritatvat. Tat pravritter ishtatvat ityaha. For a paroksha jnani, this word is also used in Tika only. So aparoksha jnani, it is not there. For paroksha jnani, shastra anapeksha kshut pipasadi dosha kritatvat. Kshut pipasadi dosha, they are not shastra apeksha, they are shastra anapeksha. Means what shastra says about that, when I am hungry, nobody reads. But when I have desire for swarga, then they will have to read shastra. So annapanadi, for that, bhakshana ityadi, shastra doesn't give injunction. It is only out of dosha. Shastra anapeksha shrutvipasadi dosha kritatvat tat pravrittehe ishtatvat ityaha. 13 number tippani. Shastra anapeksha ityadi. Vikshadi pravrittehe kevala dosha prayuktatvat. Agnihotradesh shastra prayuktatvat. What is written? Vikshadi pravritti is kevala dosha prayukta. Agnihotradi pravritti is shastra prayukta and dosha prayukta. Dosha prayukta is there, avidya is a dosha. Avidya dosha is also there and shastriya injunction is there. For vikshadi, only dosha. But which dosha? Hunger is the dosha. There is no other. Avidya is gone for jnani. Therefore, न भिक्षादि दृष्टान्तेन अग्निहोत्रादि आपादयितुं शक्यम्. दृष्टान्त दार्शनिकयोः शास्त्रकृतत्व तद अकृतत्वाभ्यां वैषम्य. There is a vaishamya between drishtanta and darshtanta, that Agnihotra is shastrakrit. Shastra gives injunctions. And Vikshatanam, etc. is ashastrakrit. It is not enjoined by Shastra that you eat. You will eat anyway. You don't read about Shastriya injunction. Therefore, one should not think this way, that if Jnani is having Bhiksha, then Jnani should do Agnihotra. This Drishtanta, Darstanta is Vaishamya. There is mismatch between the two. So many times people say like this, Jnani has time for other things, but Jnani doesn't have time for these things. So it is not whether he has time or not. If he wants to do, he can do. There is nothing wrong. Bhashyakar says, avidyadi kevala dosha nimittatvat bhojanadi pravrittehe avashyakatva anupapattehe. Avidyadi kevala dosha nimittatvat bhojanadi pravrittehe. Bhojanadi pravritti is only dosha nimitta. Avidyadi dosha, once jnanam is there, avidya dosha is also not there. Right? Unless you say avidya lesha is there for running the prarabdha, so then it will be avidya lesha dosha for eating. But here I don't think that distinction is created. भोजनादि प्रवृत्तेः आवश्यकत्व अनुपपत्तेः. So here in Hindi also they have given like विद्वान की भोजन आदि में प्रवृत्ति के अविद्या आदि केवल दोष निमित्तक होने से. Vidwan is there and then avidya dosha means you will have to understand lesha only. Because if you say Vidwan is there, then avidya dosha will not be there. Niyatatva, avashyakatva is not there. Or niyatatva means that I have to eat. There is no such thing. But if I do Agnihotra, I have to do Agnihotra. So that is why Agnihotra is called Nitya Karma. Bhojana is not Nitya. Because you eat, you don't eat, doesn't matter. There is a question online. What happened? There was a question.
Swamiji, first number Tippani we were not seeing yesterday. Tathacha Uttam, from there we have to see.
Oh yes, yes. Tadha. Good. 92 page number, 1 number Tippani, Tathacha Uttam. न च उच्छिन्नात्ममोहस्य सदैवात्मधिय स्थितेः प्रतीच्यवसरोऽस्तिह वाङ्मनकायकर्मणाम् इति स्थितेः प्रवाहरूपेण इति शेषः. So in this I had asked how to do the Anvaya. Anybody is ready?
Uchinna Atma Mohasya Sada Eva Atma Dhiyaha Sthitehe Iha Vang Manaha Kaya Karmanam Pratichavasaraha Nasti.
सदैव आत्मधिय स्थितेः प्रतीचि अवसरो नास्ति.
No, Swamiji. उच्छिन्न आत्ममोहस्य सदा एव आत्मधियः स्थितेः इह वाङ्मनः कायकर्मणां प्रतीच्यवसरः नास्ति.
What is pratichi avasaraha? Pratichi means
appearance.
It is not pratiti, it is pratichi. No, not like that. Huh? Viparita. Okay, then how will you do the Anvaya? न उच्छिन्न आत्ममोह. न उच्छिन्न आत्ममोह समस्त पद. Anybody else wants to try? उच्छिन्न आत्ममोह. उच्छिन्नो आत्ममोहो यस्य सह उच्छिन्न आत्ममोह. उच्छिन्न means eliminated. What will go with Vangmana Kaya Karmana? न च वाङ्मन काय कर्मणाम अवसरो अस्ति. Why pratichi? Pratichi will go with पूर्वार्ध. उच्छिन्न आत्ममोहस्य सदैव आत्मधियः प्रतीचि स्थितेः. प्रतीचि मीन्स प्रत्यगात्मनि. प्रत्यगात्मनि स्थितेः वांग मन काय कर्मणाम अवसरो न अस्ति इह. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Swamiji.
That's why I asked you to think about it, because that pratichi is given in Uttarardha, but its anvaya should happen with Purvardha. Sthitehe means pravaha rupena sthitehe. So bhojanadi pravritti does not have niyatatva. Avashyakatva means niyatatva. Means niyamit rupena you don't have to do. But if you take Agnihotra, niyamit rupena you have to do. Tika further. Agnihotradi api tatha syat. Somebody says Agnihotra also can happen like bhojana iti chet. न तु तथा अनियतम कदाचित क्रियते कदाचित न क्रियते च इति नित्यम कर्म उपपद्यते. If it is nitya karma, then kadachit kriyate kadachit na kriyate. In this way aniyatatva will not come. In bhojana aniyatatva is allowed. Or sometimes you eat early, sometimes you, like in chaturmasya before suryasta, how our arati keeps moving. So sometimes in cold weather after arati food, and in hot weather before arati. But so in bhojana, but in Agnihotra you can't say like this. All the time, same time you have to do Agnihotra. न तो कदाचित तथा अनियतम कदाचित क्रियते कदाचित न क्रियते इति चैति नित्यम कर्म उपपद्यते. ठीक है. भोजनादि प्रवृत्तेः आवश्यकत्व अनुपपत्तिम विवृणोति. In for the bhojanadi pravritti they are not avashyaka. Avashyakatva anupapatti. Avashyakatva means niyatatva, means they are not nitya, to be enjoined at the same time, same way every day. That is not there. केवल दोष निमित्तत्वात् तु भोजनादि कर्मणो अनियतत्वम स्यात्. Only dosha is there. Shastra is not involved. न तु तथा इत्यादि प्रपंचयति. न तु तथा. फर्दर दोषोद्भव अभिभवयोः अनियतत्वात् कामानाम इव काम्येषु. Once in Maharaj's part, somebody was flipping pages. Chitsukhi was going on, and somebody started seeing अब कितना बाकी कितना है. तो महाराज जी से कितने करोड़ आए कितने करोड़ गए वो हिसाब बाद में करना, अभी पढ़ाई. First study. Don't count how many crores have come and how many crores are gone. Hisab kitab abhi mat kar. Means how many pages are remaining and will this text will be over. Don't worry about that. भोजनादि प्रवृत्तेः आवश्यकत्व अनुपपत्तिम विवृणोति. केवल इति. केवल दोष निमित्तत्वात् तु न तु तथा इत्यादि. न तु तथा that pratika, where is
भाष्य
Paragraph starting.
न तु तथा
Beginning of the
अधिगतं कदाचित्.
दोषोद्भव अभिभवयोः अनियतत्वात् कामानाम् इव काम्येषु. दोषोद्भव अभिभवयोः, दोष उद्भव and abhibhava. Udbhava means rising, abhibhava means suppressed. अनियतत्वात् कामानाम् इव काम्येषु. For in kamya karma, when dosha udbhava is there, kamana is there. Abhibhava is there, kamana is not there. Then kamana is not there, kamya karma will not be there, because kamya karma nimitta is kamana. But in nitya karma it is not like that. Every time you have to do. Shastra nimitta kaladi apekshatvacha. Because it has shastra as its nimittam. Nityanam aniyatatva anupapattihi. Nityanam karmanam aniyat, then nitya will become aniyata. That is incorrect, inappropriate. Nitya karma has to be nitya only. Nitya will never be aniyata. Nityanam aniyatatva anupapattihi. Tarhi shastra vihita कालादि अपेक्षत्वात् नित्यानाम् अदोष प्रभवत्वं भवेत् इति आशंका. शास्त्र विहित कालादि अपेक्षत्वात् नित्यानाम् अदोष प्रभवत्वं. Then somebody says, if nitya karma is shastra vihita, if it is shastra vihita, therefore when to do and all certain rules are there, then it is not arising from dosha. Why you are saying it has shastra also and dosha also, avidya dosha also? So Tika Bhashyakar says, dosha nimittatve sati api यथा काम्य अग्निहोत्रस्य शास्त्र विहितत्वात् सायं प्रातः कालादि अपेक्षत्वम् एवं. So you have kamya agnihotra and you have nitya agnihotra. Kamya agnihotra is to be performed when you are doing kamya karma. Nitya agnihotra when nitya karma. Dosha nimittatve sati api. Dosha nimitta is there. In avidya dosha is there for kamya karma. Kamya agnihotra is shastra vihit also. Therefore, sayam pratah kaladi apekshatvam evam. Morning and evening, kamya agnihotra is done and it is enjoined by shastra also. But that does not mean there is no dosha. Avidya dosha is there. So, just because it is enjoined by shastra does not mean injunction is there, therefore there is no dosha. It could be with dosha. एवं दोष कृतत्वे अपि नित्यानां शास्त्र सापेक्षत्वात् कालादि अपेक्षत्वम् अविरुद्धम् इत्याह एवं. नित्य कर्म also is dosha krita and shastra sapekshatvat kaladi apekshatvam is also there. Shastra will say you have to do in the morning, you have to do in the evening, and dosha avidya dosha is also there. So that is aviruddham ityaha evam. टीका भोजनादेर दोषकृतत्वे अपि चातुर्वर्ण्यम चरेत भैक्षम. Bhojanadi, they are doshakrita. But such instructions are there in Veda. Chaturvarnyam bhaiksham charet. All people in the all four varnas, they can do bhiksha. But this is not part of shloka. Chaturvarnyam charet bhaiksham is different. Yatinam tu chaturgunam is different. And this Yatinam tu chaturgunam, this is given elaborately in Aitareya Tika. Brahmachari, Grahastha, Vanaprastha and Sannyasi. Those sannyasis, Swamiji, we were discussing this. Those sannyasis who don't have Shravanam as their mukhya sadhana. Once in a while they end up somewhere and they listen. Otherwise they don't do regular Shravanam. For them there are different other niyamas. Like after Shaucha, how many times they should wash hands with sand. So somebody 4 times, somebody 8 times, 16 times, 32 times. And now how many times you will go? And how much sand you need? I remember when we were doing this, that time Kothari was different. I asked him, I said, कल से कितनी मिट्टी हमको मिलेगी? But you see that washing you have to do at Gangaji only, huh? Not in your wash basin. Otherwise that much mitti if you use, then you will need a full-time person just to clean that. So this is part of that. In everything, sannyasi has to do 4 times. Chaturgunam means 4-fold he will have to do. But what this means is, if he is not doing Shravanadi, Adhyana Adhyapanam, if it is not Mukhya Sadhana, and what is he going to do whole day? So Shastra has given some such injunctions for that person. See, it is given in Manusmriti. Idam Chaturgunyam Shauche Abhihitam. In Shaucha, etc. Ityadi Niyamavat Vidusho Agnihotradi Niyamopi Syat. Somebody says, for Diksha, some Veda Vakya you will find, or some Smruti Vakya you will find. Injunction is given for sannyasi. For cleanliness, injunction is given for sannyasi. Why can't we have Agnihotra injunction for him? Vidusho Agnihotradi Niyamopi Syat iti shankate. Tad bhojanadi pravruttau niyamavat syad iti chet. Bhojanadi pravruttau niyama is there. Like that, Agnihotra api syat iti chet. Vidusho nasti bhojanadi niyamo atikranta viditvat. Nistray gunye pathi vicharata ko vidhi ko nisheda. This is Shukdev ji's vakya. Veda bhedau sapadi galitau punya pape vishirne maya mohau kshayamadigatau nashta sandeha vritte. And what is the third father? In the Tritiya Pada it is given Prapya Tattvavabodha. Prapta Tattvavabodha. He is Prapta Tattvavabodha. Nistray Gunye Pathi Vicharadaha Kovidhi Kodishad. So for such person there is no Vidhi Nisheda. Bhojanadi Niyama Atikranta Vidhi. Nacha etavata yatheshta cheshta apatti. Just by this, yatheshta cheshta is not there for a jnani. Adharma dhina aviveka krita hi sa. Sa yatheshta cheshta. Adharma dhina aviveka krita. Na cha tau vidusho vidyete. Adharma and aviveka are not there in a jnani. So this is jnani lakshanam. If aviveki is there, that means jnanam is not there. Ato avidyavasthayam api asati yatheshta cheshta. Vidyadashayam kutasyat. At the time of avidya itself, he was not doing yatheshta cheshta. What to talk in विद्यादशायां तस्य संस्कारवशात् he will do संस्कारस्यापि अभावात् such vastunah samskaras are also not there. Badhitanuvrittescha, and that those activities are all badhita, they are negated. Agnihotradehe, badhitanuvritti means jnanam has already badhita. So samskaras, even if they are there, other samskaras will be there. Like I will recognize this person, that person, I know where to put food in my mouth after Brahma Jnanam. Not that I will not know anything. Shastra I will know everything. But it is all negated. I am so and so is negated. I am talking is negated. I am seeing is negated. Whatever activity that I say through any vakya which says aham karomi, aham pashyami, aham gacchami, all of that is badhita, badhita, badhita. With each vakya, badha is mithya, mithya, mithya. Aham pashyami mithya, aham vachmi mithya, aham shrunomi mithya. Whatever I am doing is mithya in this one. Agnihotra dehe tu anabhasatvat na badhitaanuvrittihi ityaha. Agnihotra is not part of abhasa, anabhasatvat. What is anabhasa? 19 number tippani. Abadhita abhimana nimittatvat. This abadhita abhimana, earlier it was said by Bhashyakara, that now Tippanikara is mentioned. Agnihotra is to be performed by that person whose abhimana is not badhita. The one whose abhimana is badhita, he doesn't need to do Agnihotra. See, somebody will say, this definition you have created. That if his abhimana is badhita, then he should not do Agnihotra. If it is abadhita, then he should do Agnihotra. This you have created this definition. Mimamsakas will say, we don't agree with this. So for that, you should see all karmas in totality. Karma will be performed by a karta. Kartrutva abhimanam is there, then only I will do karma. Because kartrutva abhimanam is badhita. Then somebody says, for bhojana, how kartrutva abhimanam is not badhita? It is also badhita there. Bhojana kriya is happening only for sharir nirvaha. There is no adrishta phala apeksha. So wherever drishta phalam is there, like bhojana, snana, ityadi, there is nothing. Adrishta phala, like if I do this, in future I will be protected by this problem, that problem. Such things, Jnani doesn't have to worry. Jnani doesn't have to think this way, oh, my Rahu Dasha is starting now, I have to do some anushtanam so that Rahu remains away from me or Ketu doesn't. You see, Jnani doesn't have to worry about those things. Because Jnani has understood I am Brahma. So anything that will produce adrishta phala, that he doesn't have to do. What is drishta phalam? Like he is feeling cold. So drishta phalam, you wear clothes, drishta phalam is you will not feel cold. That is allowed. Where I have this notion that I am Sukshma Sharira who will get the results, Punya, etc. later, that he doesn't have to do. But if he does, there is no problem. There is no injunction. Vidhi is not there means there is no vidhanam that he has to do. That's all. Jnani can do so many things. He can be a pujari. He can do puja in the temple. What is wrong? Or somebody is doing puja and he can sit in that puja. There also there is no problem. That is not objected for Jnani. अग्निहोत्रादेः न in भाष्य न. After न you can put comma. नियमस्य अक्रियात्वात् क्रियायाश्च अप्रयोजकत्वात् न असौ ज्ञानस्य अपवादकरः. नियमस्य अक्रियात्वात्, क्रियायाश्च अप्रयोजकत्वात्. नियम is नियम means नियम विधि. नियमस्य अक्रियात्वात् and kriyayaha. So here in tika, in Hindi tika, niyama is taken as parisankhya. It's given nimaya, actually niyama. Niyama means parisankhya vidhi. What is the shloka? Offline students, online students.
प्राप्तौ नियमः पाक्षिके सति तत्र चान्यत्र च प्राप्तौ परिसंख्येति गीयते.
गीयते, correct. विधिरत्यन्तम अप्राप्तौ नियमो पाक्षिके सति तत्र चान्यत्र च प्राप्तौ परिसंख्येति गीयते. अत्यंत अप्राप्त will have vidhi, means apurva vidhi. नियमस्य अक्रियात्वात् नियम. Okay, we'll do this tomorrow. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्ति भेद विभागिने व्योमवद् व्याप्त देहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.